What we're doing today is we're assembling birthing kits which then get sent off to developing countries to help women prevent infection during labour. So inside the kit we have a black plastic bag, we have 5 pieces of gauze, there's a sterile scalpel, gloves, soap, as well as some string for tying off the umbilical cord.
It's so wonderful and important that people like us here at UWA who do have access to these kind of things can all come together, raise money, put time and effort into making them all and then sending those to those women and babies who really do need them.
You know, we're all students of reproductive units, and I thought it would be a really cool way to make an actual difference in the world. So after we pack this is going straight onto a truck, into a plane.
So they go all over, so they go to different places in Africa and Asia. I know the last year when we did the workshop, the ones we sent went to Uganda, and so they all got distributed there, which is really cool.
And we're hoping that this will be an annual event that we can do with the students every year. It really helps them to consolidate their learning of reproductive biology and women's health issues and place it into a broader context. So students have been involved in the fundraising for over $7,000.
The Perth community has really gotten behind this cause and all of our volunteers have really rallied together and we've put on workshops and fundraisers throughout the semester, and it's all pretty much been student volunteers who've raised the money and people around campus, which is really cool as well, so we're very grateful.